Hi everyone. So the chapter we're on this week is chapter 23, which is about directed numbers. So directed numbers, they're talking about the positive numbers that are all the numbers we know, which are above zero. So anything above zero is called a positive number. And then the numbers below zero are called negative numbers. Like you're kind of going, what are you talking about, miss? The negative numbers below zero. But if you think about having to measure temperature, we know that zero is freezing point. But we know that anything below that is more than very, very, very cold. And some countries do go below zero. So that's why that's one of the reasons why we use negative and positive numbers or directed numbers. It's to go below a certain point. So up until now, we've only known numbers above like that, but you did a bit of it last year as well. So just to say, a positive number is more than zero, a negative number is less than zero. Now that's either called +1, +2, +3, +4. It's called -1, -2, -3, minus 4 underneath, okay? So here we have, it looks like, I suppose, it's a bit like Fastnet. It's a lighthouse. And here is sea level. So sea level is measured as the zero. And then anything above sea level is plus, and anything below sea level is a minus. So let's have a look here. At which level is the red bird? The red bird is at +4 or +4. You can say +4 as well, and -1, -2, -3. I say plus and minus. And then B, the green bird, which is +2. Let's say the pink fish, which is -6. Okay, so they're the answers you're looking for there. I'll do one or two of these ones as well. What is the distance in levels between the blue and the red birds? So the blue bird is here, so we have to go up 1. This is how you do it now. 1, 2, 3. So between those, there's 3. So it's like taking 1 from 4 is 3, basically. Between the green and the red bird, so green and red, so 1, 2, so just 2 jumps to that. So yeah, they're all questions above these about this particular lighthouse. Okay, so here as well, how many levels are there above sea level? So above sea level, there's how many levels? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 levels above sea level. How many levels are below? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So all the questions are around this one. And then when we come to 6, we're looking at fill in the missing positive and negative numbers on the chart, the number line below. So if 0 is here, then anything to the left of it is a minus number. So -1, and next -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. And this way is +1, +2, +3, +4. So the questions here are just about jumping up and down in those different places. Okay, so use the number line to help you to work out how many steps the diver passes. Okay, so guys, just give that a go. The most important thing you have to remember is the plus number is more than 0. The negative numbers is -0. Anything under 0, okay, is less than 0. So we've got minus numbers below 0, and then we've got plus numbers more than 0. Okay, Slán.